Welcome to my student support system. In today's class, we will discuss about constipation. This lecture is in English, and if you want to study in Hindi, just click on I button and you will get link of Hindi lecture, or you can directly visit to channel my student support system. What is constipation? Constipation is an abnormal infrequency or irregularity of defecation, abnormal hardening of the stool that makes their passage difficult and sometimes painful. Any variation from normal stool passing habit or procedure may be considered as a problem. What are the causes of constipation? Causes of constipation may include weakness, immobility, fatigue, and an inability to increase intra-abdominal pressure to facilitate passage of stools. Many people develop constipation because they do not take time to defecate, or they are too busy to take time for defecation, and for this they ignore urge to defecate, or the call of nature, they ignore it. Constipation is also a result of dietary habits such as low consumption of fibers or roughage and inadequate fluid intake, lack of regular exercises, and stress-filled life. Constipation can be caused by certain medications such as tranquilizers, anticholinergics, antidepressants, antihypertensive, diuretics, aluminum-based antacids, and muscle relaxants. Constipation may also be caused by some medical conditions such as rectal or anal disorders like hemorrhoids, fissures, intestinal obstruction, bowel tremors, Hirschsprung's disease, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, endocrine disorders, hypothyroidism, and pheochromocytoma, etc. What are clinical manifestations of constipation? Clinical manifestations includes fewer than 3 bowel movements per week, abdominal distension, abdominal pain or pressure is felt in the abdomen like the abdomen is full, and decreased appetite. Along with this, there may be headache, fatigue, indigestion, and a sensation of incomplete evacuation. Means after going to toilet, the client still feels that it is not empty. Straining at stool and elimination of lump, hard and dry stools. What diagnostic investigations are done for this? The main is history and physical examination. Presence of the clinical signs that we have discussed, they can give suggestion of constipation, and another investigation which we can do for underlying disease that includes barium enema examination or test, sigmoidoscopy, stool for occult blood, and even sonography or ultrasound. Treatment. Treatment targets the underlying cause of constipation and aims to prevent reoccurrence. It includes health education regarding bowel habits, increased fiber intake and fluid intake, and exercise to strengthen the abdominal muscles. One of the following drugs or medication may be prescribed for chronic constipation, such as bulk forming agents, saline or osmotic agents, lubricants, stimulants, or fecal softeners. In severe cases such as impaction, enemas, and rectal suppositories may be given. Nursing management. Proper assessment is done by the health history and physical examination. Health education regarding importance of diet and exercise in treatment and prevention of further constipation episodes is provided. Patient is encouraged to discuss the problem and ask any doubt or concern regarding constipation. Prescribed medications are given on time. Patient is encouraged to drink as much liquid as he or she can drink. Patient is asked to increase mobility if he is having sedentary life. It will enhance the peristaltic movement. In severe cases, enema or suppositories may be prescribed to the patient. These are given as medication administration procedure using 5 rights of drug administration. Diet modification is very important in treatment and as well as prevention of the constipation. Patient is explained about high fiber diet during discharge planning. Thank you students for watching this video. You can subscribe the channel for latest updates of latest videos. You can like Facebook page, and for making your notes you can visit mynursingstudents.blogspot.com. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram and join Facebook group Nursing Notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.